Class 4, Subject Science, Chapter number 1, Human Body, Food We Eat. Good morning, children. Our chapter number 1 explanation part is over. Now, in this video, we will see the exercises part. On page number 11, in the beginning of the chapter, there is an activity, warm-up activity. And in that, the two pictures are given. Two shopkeepers are there. One is selling fruits and vegetable and another one is a baker. He is selling pastries and cakes and cookies. So some questions are given. You have to write answers for those questions. Questions are like that. Name the food item that you may want to buy from a food store. Then question 2. Name some of the vegetable you can see in this first picture. Why are cakes and pastries kept inside a glass case in second picture? And fourth number question is, name 3 things that you would pick from the picture number 2 for your breakfast. So this warm-up activity you have to do by your own. Very simple questions are there. By seeing the picture, you have to write the answer. On page number 14, there is a match the following. This is homework for you. After reading the chapter, you will be able to give the answers for this match the following. On one side, it is written carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins. And on the another side, 4 options are given: carrot, beans, sugar and butter. On one side, the nutrients names are written and the other side sources are given. So you have to match the nutrient with the source. So it is very easy. After reading the chapter, you can write the answer. You can match the followings. Those they are not having their textbook, they can see here. Match the following: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and on the other side, carrot, beans, sugar and butter. You can pause the video and you can write down in your notebook. And if you have textbook, it is good that you can do from the textbook. On page number 15, one more activity is given. You can see that orange table. The question is like that: are you eating healthy? Means you have to find out that whatever you are eating healthy or not. You have to put tick mark on yes and no. 2 columns are there, yes and no. After doing this, you will be able to understand that are you eating healthy or not, and do you need to change your eating habits? Do the activity by yourself. See. Now next, on page number 19, exercises is given. In that, on page 19, 4 questions are there. First question is, choose the correct answer. Now, A. Nutrients that provide us with energy are, 3 options are given: vitamins, minerals, fats. So correct answer is fats, as fats gives us energy. It gives us more energy than carbohydrates. And vitamins and minerals, they protect our body from diseases. So the correct answer will be fats. B. The body building nutrients are, 3 options are proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins. Correct answer is proteins. Proteins build our body, helps in our growth. And the second option, carbohydrates, that gives us energy, and vitamins protect our body from diseases. So the correct answer for the body building nutrients are proteins. C. To protect yourself from diseases, you must have a good supply of, 3 options are proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. The correct answer is vitamins and minerals. D. Dash is not a way of preserving food. Three options are drying, freezing and peeling. Drying and freezing, they are the preservative method, food preservation method. So the answer is peeling. Peeling is not a way of preserving food. E. Dash helps the body to absorb nutrient properly. Three options are water, milk and tomato. The correct answer is water. Water helps the body to absorb nutrient properly. This was question number 1. Now question number 2. Name the following. A. Energy giving groups. So the food group which gives us energy, they are carbohydrates and fats. So the answer is carbohydrates and fats. B. The food group that helps to repair damaged cell. So the correct answer is proteins. As protein helps to repair the damaged cell, it also helps in our growth. C. The food group that protect from diseases. Answer is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, they protect our body from diseases. We get proteins and vitamins from green leafy vegetables, milk products. D. The method that keeps seasonal fruits and vegetable fresh. So here you can write two answers. You can write the food preservation method, because by using the food preservation method we can keep the seasonal fruits and vegetables fresh, and you can write the refrigeration answer also, because if in food preservation method we use refrigeration method to keep the seasonal fruits and vegetable fresh. At home we keep it in refrigerator, but in on a big scale also refrigeration process is used to keep the seasonal fruits and vegetable fresh, and the whole year they supply this seasonal fruits and vegetable to us. E. The substances in food that are necessary for growth. So here the answer is nutrients. Nutrients helps our body for growth, for survival, protect our body from diseases. So the correct answer is nutrients. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is you have to write here 2 examples for the given question. Write 2 examples or give 2 examples. First is sources of carbohydrates. So here I have written potato and rice. You can write other options also, other sources also, like you can write bread, you can write banana. Second, sources of proteins. So the answer here I have written, that is milk, pulses. So in place of this you can write cheese, you can write beans and other sources from which we get proteins. Then the next question is sources of vitamins. I have written orange, papaya. You can write either any other vegetables or fruits name which gives us vitamins. Then sources of fats. I wrote ghee and butter. You can write the other options like nuts. You can write oil. You can write mutton. Now sources of minerals. Sources of minerals, I have written here spinach and milk. You can write the other option like fish. You can write here green leafy vegetables, or you can write salt. You can write milk products, any name of milk product which gives us minerals. So you have to write any 2 examples. Now the next question is question number 4. Answer the following in brief. Here you have to write the answer in short. A. Name the different food groups. As you all know, there are main 5 food groups are there. So you will have to write the names of those food groups. The different food groups are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. You can get the answer on page number 12. B. Why it is necessary to include fats in your diet? See, fats gives us energy. It gives us more energy than the carbohydrates. It is not only giving us energy, but it is also helping us to keep our body warm. So it is necessary to include fats in our diet. Okay. This page number 12, you can use page number 12 to write the answer. Those they are not having the textbook, they can pause the video and they can write the question and answer. Next, see, what are nutrients? See, when we eat food, in food many substances are present and which are very important for our body, and these substances are called nutrients. The substances present in our food that are necessary for our survival, good health and growth of our body are called nutrients. You will get the answer on page number 12. Now next, D. What is a balanced diet? The answer is a diet that contains all the required nutrients, roughage and water in a correct amount is called a balanced diet. The answer you will get on page number 14. So here, why balanced diet is important and what is balanced diet? When we eat food, all the nutrients should be present in that food, and that to be also in a correct amount. Not only the nutrient but also water and roughage is also very important. So the balanced diet means a diet that contain all the required nutrients, roughage and water in a correct amount is called a balanced diet. E. What is the role of roughage in the diet? See, as we all know that roughage is not a nutrient. It is not having any nutritive value, but it helps to get rid of the undigested food. So it is very important. So we have to write the answer in short. You can write like this: roughage helps to get rid of the undigested food. You'll get the answer on page number 14. Now next, F. Why it is important to take water in adequate amount? Water helps to digest the food. It also helps to remove waste from our body. During the day, we lose lots of water in the form of sweat and urine. So, to maintain the balance of water in our body, we must drink lots of water. That's why water is important. So, you'll get the answer on page number 13, and some part of this answer is on page 14. So, you can write the answer from there also. Now, on the next page, page number 20, question number 5 is there. Answer the following in detail. A. Explain the role of carbohydrates and proteins in our diet with examples. So, the answer you will get on page number 12 for carbohydrates, and for proteins you will get it on page number 13. So, carbohydrate, what is the main function of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. They are called energy giving food. People use energy to do their daily work, and bread, rice, wheat, potatoes, banana, these are the good sources of carbohydrates. All these things you can write in this answer for carbohydrates. Laborers and the cricketer, sports person, they need more carbohydrate rich food as they have to do a lot of physical work. So they need more carbohydrates. So you have to write this thing in short. Also you can write, you have to mention only the role of the carbohydrates. So you can write like this: they are the main source of energy for our body. People use energy to do their daily work. And then you can write the source: potato, bread, rice, chocolate, banana, etc. Then For proteins, you can write like this: they are required for growth, for the repair of worn out tissues. It is very important for children as it helps them to grow. And then you can mention that proteins are body building food. You can write about the sources, that sources of proteins are pulses, milk, egg, beans, etc. So in that way, by using page 12 and 13, you can write the role of carbohydrates and proteins. Next question is, why is exercise important for us? Name some forms of exercises. Answer, you will get it on page number 15. Regular exercise is important to keep the body healthy and fit. It makes our muscles and heart strong. It increases our stamina and physical strength. Running, cycling, playing outdoor games are the different forms of exercises. In that way, you can write the answer. You can write the answer in your own way also. If you understood the chapter, you can make the answer by using your own words. You have to write the importance of exercise. Then next, how can we prevent wastage of food? And what are the different methods of food preservation? So already in the previous video, I have explained that how you can prevent the wastage of food, how you can save the food from spoilage. So some points are there like that. Start with small serving of the food and take more if you want more food. Afterward, in second and third serving, you can take more food. Then recycle the leftover food for making new recipes. Then you can write the point like this: plan your shopping so that to avoid the wastage of food, because sometimes we go for shopping and we purchase so many different food items and then it is more than whatever we required, so in the end we have to throw it out as it's spoiled. So plan your shopping, don't buy unnecessary food items. Then you can write the point like this: store cooked food, fruits and vegetable in the refrigerator to avoid spoilage. And we have also learned about the different methods of food preservation like cooking, freezing, pickling, drying and canning. So you can write in the second part of the answer that the different methods of food preservation are cooking, freezing, pickling, drying, canning. Then the next question is, name any two minerals that our body needs and how do they help us. So here I have written about calcium and iron. That calcium, it makes our teeth and bones strong, and the sources of calcium are milk and milk products. And the second point about iron, iron is needed for making blood in our body. The sources of iron are green leafy vegetables and fruits like banana. You will get the answer on page number 13. The next question is question number 6. Think and answer. First is, why it is important for us to have all kinds of food. We have to eat all kinds of food because it helps our mind and body to grow well, and it keeps us energized. It keeps our body healthy. It provide us all the nutrient for a balanced diet. So we have to eat all kinds of food. So it is very important for us to have all kinds of food. You can use page number 14 to write this answer. In balanced diet paragraph, you will get the answer. All kinds of food help us to have a balanced diet. It helps our mind and body to grow well and keep us energized. To keep our body healthy, we must have all kinds of food. Next think and answer question is, why do we drink more water in summer than in winter? So the answer for this is, in summer we sweat a lot and our body lose lot of water. So to restore the water we lose, we must drink more water. Otherwise what will happen? It can lead to dehydration. But in winter, we don't lose that much of water. So that's why in summer, we should drink more water as compared to the winter. Page number 14. For this question, you can use page number 14 to write the answer. I hope you have understood all these questions and answers. So you have to write all these answers in your notebook. Those they are not having the textbook, they can pause the video and they can write the questions and answers.